Sound is everywhere. It's as much a part of our lives as the air we breathe and the food we eat. Have you ever considered the positive or negative impact of sound on your mental, physical, and emotional health? Some sounds can help you focus and improve your productivity, regulate your heart rate, and increase academic performance. Sound can also calm you down or get you moving. Sound has been the unrecognized pillar of health. Until now. Using over a decade of new scientific research, Healing at the Speed of Sound explores sound's great advantage, its free availability for use in improving and enhancing all of our lives. Join authors Don Campbell, best-selling author of The Mozart Effect, and Alex Doman, founder of Advanced Brain Technologies, as they take you on a multi-sensory journey from music to silence and everything in between. Read. Listen. Watch. And learn. Transform your brain and your life. Become more effective, productive, relaxed, and healthy as you put sound and silence to work.